And welcome back to the last video in this tutorial series. And because this is the final video, I don't really have much to say except that all of the code for this tutorial series is actually on GitHub. So go over to or just check the description of all of my videos. Go over to that link. There is a GitHub link that will take you to this repo. And I do have some instructions in the README just explaining how to set this up. And by the time you're done, you should have the exact same API that I built for this tutorial series. And yeah, I know that this was really simple, but these are the basic concepts for building an API. So literally any other information that you want to create and output onto your API is going to be done in the exact same way. So follow these concepts and carry on building whatever it is you want to build in your API. But while you're on GitHub, by the way, don't forget to just go over to my page and yeah, just follow me here and start all of the repos that you decide to download, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And that is the end of the video. So if you made it this far, I'm going to assume that whatever I was teaching you now was helpful. So I just want to say, if you did make it to this point of the video, subscribe and check me out on social media, especially Instagram. So all of my social media is on screen now, and I'll see you guys next time.